ingredients for turkey stuffing. 3 cups of chopped celery, and 4 cups of chopped onion. I use the red onion, and 8 cups of crouton, sage, ground sage. That's my white wine, cooking oil, salt and pepper. Now let's add some cooking oil. I use about 2-3 tablespoons because we a lot of stuffing. When a pan getting hot, you're going to add celery and onion. I cook about 10 minutes. After I cook 10 to 15 minutes, onion and celery, I could add all the spice, the sage, ground sage. I will add about 2 teaspoons. And I gotta spice it up with my cayenne pepper. 1 teaspoon. Ground pepper. Ground pepper is about 1 tablespoon because my turkey is quite big, about 22 pounds. If you had the smaller size than 22 pounds, you can add the celery, onions less, and crouton lace. Mix about 1 tablespoon of the salt because I quite that big. Turkey need a lot of. Okay, we will stir. If it's dry, I gotta add up my secret ingredients. Ooh, white wine. Add 8 to 10 cups of crouton. Add in. Stuffing. Somebody tell me you're gonna be happy. This is about 10 cups of stuffed crouton. Okay, I gotta continue cooking for 10 minutes to 15 minutes, and if the stuffing dry, add some water or chicken broth or secret ingredient, white wine. Now I'm gonna add my white wine. Stuffing getting happy with white wine. Now we go continue cooking the ingredients. I will add the sugar, about a half tablespoon sugar to speed a little bit up. Now it's done. Turkey stuffing. It's look good. I could clean up a turkey. I could rinse by water. I used a big bucket. I was water down, clean it up. The water don't have to jump. I gotta dry the turkey by towel, paper towel, whatever. Dry. Push it dries up. And dry it inside too. It's going heavy. Big bird. Now I'm going to add some stuffing. My stuffing cooked before. We get a big spoon. To that stuffing. Let's put stuffing inside. I will put until finish, and then we come back to see the next one. Now we're going to put stuffing in the front of the chest. In. Now I'm gonna seal with the. I use my toothpicks. If you don't have a toothpick, you can use. Continue sealing. Oh, it's broken. It's sealed. It's tight. Don't want our stuffing to fall out when we bake it. Oop. Okay, it gets tight. Get tight. One more. One more. Okay, now you're done. I got a rough turkey with the cooking oil. I use olive oil to get the skin not to dry, not to burn before it's cooked. To make it nice, I gotta use the two sides. That's a heavy bird. At this side, you get the rough is all over the turkey and the wing. Don't make our turkey too dry. Next time we're going to add salt. I clean the turkey by just regular water, but not from the faucet. Just use the bucket. The water don't have to jump all over your sink. Then we do other side. We put our salt both sides. I use about 1 tablespoon salt. Now as we're done with the cover of turkey, I use cover we're going to put in our oven. It's turn 8 hours. 8 hours, about 300. Now we put our turkey inside. Look at him. Okay, you stay in here, turkey. About 3 hours. I will come check again. 5 hours baking and our oven 300. And we're going to take our turkey out. Let's check it out. Ooh. Ooh. It's heavy. I'm going to add paprika. And my olive oil. Done. My olive oil. Look at my brush. Okay, I got to stir. I got to brush it all over the turkey to make the colors nice. Brush it. Done. I will turkey and below in the back, and the back and the sides. Hey, the color looks very nice. Color looks nice. Okay, we're gonna put back in the oven at 350 for 1 hour and a half, and then I'm gonna turn upside down and then continue bake hour. Hey, I gotta turn my oven at 350. Take our turkey back to the oven.
Too late.
After an hour and a half, the oven 350. Now I gotta take my turkey out. Ooh, look at this. Yeah, look at this, right? And now I gotta turn and the back to the top. Let's get some. Okay, there, turn. Okay, you can have that video. It's too Hold on. Because it's quite hard, you know. Hold on.
Yeah, I'm holding.
Okay.
Okay.
Now I can put back in my oven another hours and a half, 350, and to make a turkey meat and moist and juicy and tender. Let's take it back.
Who's gonna eat all this?
Oh, look at it! Oh, look at it! Look at it over there. Come back in here. Okay.
Go.
Now I'm gonna put it inside. Oven another hour and a half. Okay. Let me come back to be ready. After a little less than 8 hours, about 7 hours 40 minutes, I think my turkey is ready. Oh, let's open. Woohoo! Look at this. Wow, is it big enough? Is it enough? Look at this. I'm gonna let the turkey take a rest about 30 minutes before we carving. Okay, we come back to. I gotta take stuffing out. Let's take out from this one first. Ooh, look at. Wow, look at guy. Look at this meat fall out from the bone. Wow. Ooh. La la! Somebody want to eat it too down there. Okay, we're gonna take all the stuffing out, and then the butcher gonna come. Wow! Look at the meat fall from the bone. Yes. You guys have to make it like this. Look at that. Ooh, la la. Look at smoky. Smoky in the pokey. Wow. Now who's gonna eat it?
I'm gonna eat it all.
You gonna eat all this? One more. Good. Oh, look at this meat. Okay, I don't know. Wow, wow, look at this. Oh, the meat. Oh, juicy, juicy, oozy, juicy. Have to follow my recipe.
You know it.
Oh, I can tell it. Oh, you had a thumb up. Oops. Yay!
Okay, come on, sit down. Okay, let's stop talking and eat.
It's fine. I don't
Look
know
at the
what
food.
to do.
Okay, here you
Mochi, what's this? Bread?
bread.
Sourdough bread.
Okay,
I
let's
bake it.
Mochi, you baked bread, freshly
Yes.
baked bread, freshly made food.
Okay, here's butter.
There's butter.
There's. I'm going to start this way.
I think that this one cooked. This wasn't cooked.
Yeah.
Yay!
No, wait. And
Look at the oven.
and
Look at Owen.
and go.
Now upside down.